Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 122. Well, a very good day to you. It is Saturday the 26th of April 2025 and I'm currently moored up between bridges 26 and 27 on the Ashby Canal. And I've got Sandy with me today, and what we're going to do, we're going to take the Swamp Duck all the way up to the top end of the Ashby Canal. I've only ever done that once before in all the time that I've been on the Ashby Canal, so I thought it's high time I did it again. I've got 4 days really to do this trip, which is plenty. You could do it, you could certainly go up there and back in 2 days, but I'm in no rush. The reason I don't want to rush is because I've been investing in some new cameras for the Swamp Duck, and so it's a chance for me to experiment with them. I've been fiddling around with them on and off this morning. I haven't got them quite right yet, but I want to just see how well they do record the material. They're not quite correctly placed at the moment. Certainly the one that's in front of me, it needs raising up if I can, just to get a little bit of a clearer shot and not so much of the clutter on the top of the Swamp Duck. The advantage of this system is that they are powered by the boat's battery. I haven't got to insert little separate batteries that only last for about an hour or so, which is quite annoying at times. And also they both feed in to the same SD card, so I've got one camera right on the top on the navigation light, and I've got one in the window here, and they both feed in to the same SD card. They just produce two tiny little files. It also records the sound that I'm making now and so it's easier then to be able to match the different shots up by using what I'm saying, and also you've got a count on it, which is fantastic. Never had anything like that before, so that's going to help enormously when it comes to editing. I want to cut down on the amount of loading up that I have to do as well, because that takes an enormous amount of time. So that's my plan, is to go up to the top of the Ashby Canal and record bits and bobs as I go along, and just see what a difference it will make to the overall video that I can produce. So at the moment I've got four video cameras on the go. So I've got the trusty cam that I'm talking into now, a Panasonic which I've had forever, and it does sterling work, but you can't use it outside at all. It's too prone to the weather. And I've got a camera on the front facing back for that back shot of the boat that I often use, but I've got a much better camera. It's a much higher quality one than what I have been using, so it should give a wider picture and a clearer picture. That does require me to change the battery every now and again, but it is Wi-Fi, so I can control it from my phone if I want to, so I don't have to have it recording all the time. And then I've got, say, one on the windscreen here, and I've got one on the top, so I've got 4 video cameras going, and in addition I've got shots with my trusty Finepix. This is a fantastic little camera. It came from Asda a long time ago, and it's absolutely excellent. The zoom on it really is very good, and I think this is a lot better than some more expensive cameras. So I use that quite a lot for my still shots, and I'm always impressed with the still shots. So I'm going to just made some sandwiches, and I'm going to cup of coffee, and then we're going to set off and see how far we get today. We may not get to the end of it today, we might moor up, but we're in no hurry. Are we, Sandy? Hello. Okay, so every time you introduce a new camera setup, you take the risk of it not working, so we'll see how it goes. So far so good. I can see what the camera in front of me is doing. At the press of a button, I can see what the camera on the roof is doing, and with my phone and Wi-Fi I can see what the camera pointing back to the boat is doing, and I can obviously see what my camcorder is producing. So I've got a lot better control, and 3 out of the 4 cameras are all running off the boat's battery system. Okay, so it's just coming up to 3:15. We've gone through Market Bosworth and come out the other side, and we're just about to go into the Triple SSI area, and might look for a little mooring and call it a day. We've been on the go since 11:30. We stopped for about half an hour for lunch, so that'll do for one day. I want to have a look at the footage that I've created, see if it's any good, and see what adjustments I need to make. So I'll be interested to see what kind of footage I do get, and what quality it is, and how well the sound has been recorded, because sound is always the most difficult thing to record on a boat as you're moving along. Oh, so this is actually bridge 45, I think. Yeah, 45. So there is some Armco here, a little stretch. I've used this once before, and it's quite wide at this point as well, so no problem there with boats coming past. I hope to bring you some footage using the new camera setup when I've actually got it 100% perfect. I'll bring that to you in the next few weeks. In the meantime, I'm currently in the Staffordshire moorlands, and weather permitting, we're going to be out and about doing some filming of the next section of the Macclesfield Canal. So look out for that video in the next few days. If you look on the community tab, I will put a little post on there when it's going to go out. I'd like to thank you for your continued support, and as always, do take care.